anything in here? Do you see your Easter basket in here? Huh. Okay, let's look over here.
Is it under that table?
Is it under this table? Is it under that? Huh. What's that?
Is that your Easter basket?
Oh. What's in it? Yeah.
Are there fishies? You want them opened? What else is in your Easter basket? What are those? Are they little birdies? What's that? Is that eggies? What else is in there? What's that? Candy?
Wow. Did the Easter Bunny leave you good things?
What's that? Is that bubbles? You want them opened? Okay, go see what else is in your Easter basket, then we'll open this.
Yeah, go see what else you got.
What is that?
Cookie.
It's chocolate.
Chocolate.
What is that? Is that an eggie?
Oh.
Oh, yummy. You got so many yummy things. What? I think there's more in there.
Did you get a pair of socks?
What's on them?
What's on?
Mickey.
Mickey.
Are those big boy socks?
Me.
Can you say Happy Easter?
Listen.